Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to create WhatsApp channels. WhatsApp channels just launched and companies are excited about the new marketing feature. But how do you start your own channel? In this video, we'll show you step by step on how to create a WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channels are all the rage right now in the messaging and social media marketing world. The new one-to-many broadcast feature launched globally on September 13, 2023, and offers businesses a new option to send out bulk messages and increase their reach. So how can you get started with a channel? In order to create a WhatsApp channel, you of course need a WhatsApp account. If you are a private user, you can use the regular WhatsApp app to set up a new channel. Businesses can create a new channel through the WhatsApp Business app. Because the feature just launched, the first step is to check if your WhatsApp is up to date. You can update it by going to your app store, searching for it, and manually launching the update. If you don't see it after the update, it's possible that you don't have the access to it yet, as WhatsApp is rolling out the feature gradually to users. How to create a WhatsApp channel on iOS devices. Open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the Updates tab. Tap on the plus icon and select Create Channel and continue through the on-screen prompts. Add a channel name to finish setting up your channel. You can change the name at any time. Customize your channel. You can start to customize your channel right away by adding a description and icon to it. The description should be a few words to help your followers understand what your channel is about and what type of content they can expect. Your icon can be an emoji, a sticker, or an image. You can either upload an image or take one as you're setting up your channel and search on the web. How to create a WhatsApp channel in your browser. Open WhatsApp web in your browser and go to Channels by clicking the Channels icon. Click the plus symbol and then click Create Channel and continue through the on-screen prompts. Add a channel name to finish setting up your channel. You can change the name at any time. Customize your channel. Again, you can start to customize your channel right away by adding a description and icon to it. On your icon, you can take photo by clicking on it. You can also upload a photo. Choose your photo. Drag the image or click the minus and plus button to adjust the photo. Or an emoji or sticker. Choose your emoji. There are lots of emojis you can choose from. Click the square button right here and choose a sticker. When you're done, click the green check. What can you do with your new WhatsApp channel? Depending on your personal or business goals, you can use WhatsApp channels in several ways. As a private user or influencer, you can use it to share content with your followers or friends and family. For businesses, the main use case is to share one-to-many broadcasts. So you can share new product launches, company news, deals, or valuable content. Keep in mind, however, that outside of pushing bulk messages, the features of WhatsApp channels are still very limited, especially when compared to regular WhatsApp broadcast tool. How to share updates on your WhatsApp channel. Keep in mind that your updates are public, as is anything you share. Whatever you post will be visible to all of your followers. If somebody follows a channel, they can see all channel updates since the very beginning. People who don't follow you, they only see updates from the past 30 days. You can share text content with links and media like images or videos. To share written content, go to Channels page and open your channel. Compose your post. You can also add formatting such as bold text, strike through, and underline. It's possible to add emojis. When you add a link, it will appear as a preview of the content and image, if available. Once your update is ready, simply click on the arrow and it will be shared. For sharing images and videos, select the plus icon in your channel. Then you can either go to your camera and take a picture or record a video with your camera. Of course, it's also possible to select existing photos or videos from your device and select multiple images at one time as well. You can make various edits to your videos, images, such as rotating the file, cropping it, adding text and emojis, blurring parts, changing the quality of the image, and much more. If you want to add captions, simply tap on the image and add your copy. Keep in mind, followers will be able to save any media you share to their phone. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you the CourseFunnels, online courses platform with integrated marketing. Host anywhere, supports 17 languages, 6 profit-boosting plugins included. Made to sell and get you profits. Just don't make courses. Sell them and turn them into profits. Build your course sales pages and entire funnels all within CourseFunnels. Grab opt-in leads and deliver your courses instantly. Get paid using any payment system you want. Includes profit and conversion boosting plugins that save hundreds a month. Integrates every popular payment system, CRM and autoresponder. Rich interaction with inbuilt comments, review, and questions inbuilt. Integrations for live chat, Facebook Messenger, bots, support desk, conversion proof, etc. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get CourseFunnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.